Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to see how to reset your Android mobile phone. So let's start the video. First, open settings, click on settings. Now here, so you have to scroll down and click on this option general management. Click on it, and here you will see this option reset. Click on it. These are the reset options you can apply, and the another method you can use to open a reset option is click on settings. After that, click on this search icon, and here you have to type a reset, and you will see this option reset. Click on it, click on reset, and these are the reset options you can use. The first option is reset all settings, so this will reset your settings only. The second option is reset mobile network settings, so this will reset your mobile network settings. Third option is you can also reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting. The final reset option is reset accessibility settings. So these are the four reset settings you can use to reset your particular settings. But in this video we are going to factory data reset our phone. So this is the option we need, factory data reset. So this will reset your phone factory default settings, and this will erase all the data including files and download apps. So I will completely reset my phone. Click on it, and these are the details you can see. So this will uninstall and delete all the applications, all the data you have in your phone. Click on reset. Now you have to enter your mobile pin. Click on done. This will ask you to check. So this will delete all the data you have in your mobile phone. If you are using any SD card in your mobile phone, please remove that SD card for a safer side. So what I will do is I will just remove my SD card which I am using in this mobile phone for a safer side. So I will remove it. Okay, this is my SD card. I'll lock it. Click on OK. Now I will click on delete all, and this will reset my mobile phone. Now you can see my mobile phone has been reset completely. Now I have to fill all the details again. So this is how you can reset your Android mobile phone. This is all for the video. Thank you.